Hey guys, Vivi-chan here. How are you guys doing? So right now we're gonna get into the craziness of what is Inuyashiki, episode 11, play. So last episode we ended off at another crazy point. I don't know how much crazier it can get. Everyone's like telling me, and all I can comment is like, it's gonna get crazier. I don't know how much crazier it can get. It's already crazy enough. My god. Holy crap. Like, since 9/11 was is the biggest mass murder terrorist, I don't really know, the event that caused the most death, besides war, but ever on American soil. So to see that, just really shocking. I a few years ago, I want to know what happened, so I watched a whole bunch of documentary on 9/11. So when I saw that plane going, what looked like it about to hit the building, I just awestruck, shock, just the amount of terror that it inflicted on everyone, on me, on Choco. He was like beyond shock. Hero, where you going when I need to end my war? Hit me on the ground, hit me on the ground, hit me on the ground, hit me on the ground. Oh my gosh, the opening is so good. I'm in the middle of talking and then I sing the song. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. 2 more episodes left, my god. And that 9/11 thing, my god. They purposely did this episode to make it 11 episodes just to make it 9/11, huh? My god. Yeah, what's gonna happen? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. Let's go. Yeah, this is the plane's going. Technically, it is still 9/11, even though it didn't hit the building, since 9/11 hit the Pentagon and the ground. Oh, damn, he's got 4 or 5 planes. Oh shit, I better enlarge the screen. Whoops. What the hell? Okay, some people were saying what if it hits Mari? Superman, take it off, let's go. Oh my god, here we go. It's a bird, it's a plane, no, it's terrorist attack. It's not the time to think about the deaths. It's time to save more people. Come on, he's doing his symphony. Oh my god, my god. And people were thinking, what if she was holding up the phone and then the baby would die, right? But no, it's even worse. The airplanes! Oh my gosh! Holy frick. Oh yeah, no one has their seatbelts on because they're not prepared. Oh my gosh, she already knows. She's like, but this music does not fit. It's like a jumpy kind of anything can happen soundtrack. Holy crap, he's Iron Man! Iron Man, stopping the plane! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I'm so stressed out! So stop talking! He's already stressed out! Aren't the pilots scared? They have no control. When they're reporting it. You know him! You know him! This is the perfect idea. When airplanes, they know their system is failing, you don't look to land on land. You look to land on the water, like a Sully, the guy who... 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 10 planes down. Applause, a round of applause for old man Inuyashiki. You get to see Goro-san again. Okay, Inuyashiki, it's time to find that Shishigami and give him a taste. I'm so frazzled. I feel so much right now. He can't lose his daughter. Some of them. She knows to get her daddy. She is in the building. Oh my god, the black smoke. The black smoke. Oh my god, this is 9/11. They're jumping out of the buildings. I mean, you either burn to death or you jump to your death, right? I can't sit still. He's the same as you. It's time for a fight. Let's go. Let's go. No commercials. Yeah. You already seen him like twice. And you don't remember? He was just focused on himself. Inuyashiki, total opposite. Obviously. No use crying now. You cannot be forgiven. I mean, it's complicated with him, but I can't forgive what Shishigami did. Hiro is the villain. Onegaishimasu. To the nth degree. Just stop it! What the hell is your problem, man? Inuyashiki, please just give him a punch. Just please. Just. Oh, shoot. Everyone's recording and everything. Damn, he really looks like Yagami Lights right here. Oh, he did one back. Come on, it's time to go in! No more bangs! Just grab him and, like, push him down and... Oh! Like, there's no bloodbath here because they're all machines. Oh my god. This is like the theoretical poster. The promo poster. This is the fight. This is where it gets started. How can he save his daughter as he's flying through? Yeah, he needs to just like charge into that window, let out some open windows and just get her. She can't die. This is... Oh, fuck no. My god, this... I hate Shishigami! Man, he needs to fly higher, out of the reach of regular humans, civilians. Don't say goodbye, don't. Oh my gosh, no, 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 no. I like the soundtrack. Dun 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 dun. I keep saying it's time, but seriously, Inuyashiki, it's time to charge into that building, smash Shishigami into the building. It's gonna be funny! Oh my gosh! And oh shoot, it's too intense. I can't see my seat. It's I need to do like push-ups or something. Ah. I don't know, like his voice is not as oh, he's like engulfed in flames. Like Inuyashiki still has the mindset I don't want to hurt people, but it's time to go. It's time. I mean, they're both indestructible beings. How can they destroy each other, right? I am so shocked that Inuyashiki has not, like, gone to his daughter yet. Huck, man. Like, this battle will not end. This is one of those battles that last, like, for a century. It could, like, if... Whoa. I don't know if that was CG, but it did look a little better. Like, maybe because, like, you can see the city down below. It looks so much, like, on a bigger scale. But, like, usually the CG here doesn't look that good. But, this... Are they, like, connecting? Uh-huh, that's what I've been saying. Like, if he's gonna fight and not save his daughter, he should at least fly off into another, like, somewhere above the seas. Like, he's... Is that, like, the satellite? See... So there's, like, no internet? Is that what's it? Because, like, he can use the internet to, like, connect through. Oh, he was hiding behind the... Yes, this is what I've been saying. You need to grab him and, like, you know, restrain him, break him apart. Yes, yes, this is what I'm talking about. But damn. Damn, though. Because you're a psycho! Like, I don't even know what to feel because it's like a mixed feeling. Like, you feel for the girl, but then I can't forgive Shishigami. All those people just died for no reason. Mari, 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 Mari! Like, hopefully that fight didn't last too long, but it felt, to me, it felt like a really long time. Bring her out. Like, if she was still breathing, maybe, but I should have known this series, no one is gonna live. Like, just wait next episode. A lot more people die. Oh my god, having your own daughter die at your aunt's. And she just discovered her dream. She wanted to be a mangaka and she was starting to change and see her father in a better light. You should have ended that fight with Shishigami a long time ago. Bring her outside. The air is too... There's no oxygen in the air. I just think I would cry for this. Like, no words can just describe the feeling. Like, close her eyes. It can't be. You can't do this to me. Hurry and bring her out. Bring her out. It's a miracle. It's a miracle. The true miracle. Thank God. Back to when she was a kid. What about the other people in the building? Like her friend and whatnot? My god, if the next episode or something, if Shishigami kills her, like, she just lived, right? If she dies the next time... Yes. Your father's an amazing man. I hope you realize. Oh man, this man is unbelievable. He is our savior. I love this old man. Like, the surgeons, the doctors on the side are speechless. The firefighters. I can't believe I'm crying. I wonder if he can put out fires. I don't want to hear you bad-mouthing your dad. I'm talking about the son. The daughter, Mari, she knows. I don't... The son, you better not say anything. Mom, too. Mom, too. Series of the Spirit of the Best Generation. I wonder where Shishigami went. Is he gonna take Shion? Like, he should just done that from the beginning. Just take Shion to Hawaii. Just, you know, find your own place. Don't bother the people. Oh my god, a young Inuyashiki. Yeah, back then, no internet, people were closer. You gotta bond with people. Yeah, like he's experienced a lot in his life. He's more knowledgeable and everything. Yeah, you may be a machine, but you've got a heart of gold. Oh shit! Run, ladies! He's gonna be a killing machine right now. Do not give him water! Do not give him water! Do not! Fuck, man. Once again, I am dumbfounded by everything. Well, this episode, continuation of 9/11, with like people deciding whether they should jump out of the building or just suffer to death in the black clouded smoke. Yeah, because there's no oxygen in there. But luckily we didn't see any of those jumping people. They were just trying to break the window to get some fresh oxygen in. These poor people. And freaking Shishigami, he's like, oh, you're just like me. And he tries shooting him, and then it's like, it's not working. So if you're just like me, why are you helping these people? And Inuyashiki's like, by helping people, I feel more human. Don't you feel the same? And this just triggered Shishigami. He's like, he feels bad for what he did, but like at the same time, with his like young age and experience, he just can't let it go. And he's just like, to take out all my anger, he's just gonna keep going at it. The fight just went crazy. Mari is calling him on the phone like, please, dad, help me. Like, I can't breathe. Tell mom I love her. And I'm just like, I know you're fighting, but no offense, but if this was real life, I'm pretty sure Inuyashiki would definitely have lost his daughter. I thought she was gonna die. I didn't think a miracle would come out of this and she would be alive. When they were having their fight, I'm like, during the whole time, I'm like, even if you're in this fight, try to just slam into the building just so air can go into the building, because the windows, I'm guessing, is like a bulletproof glass or something. So no, they're throwing the chairs, the tables, it's not breaking the windows. So I'm just thinking, you need to smash through the windows at least to let the air in for other people. But he just kept fighting. I'm like, oh shoot. I know at the same time he's trying to end the fight by being safe, and you know, he's going through traffic, and Shishigami's controlling Symphony with the cars, and he's just trying to dodge it and trying to put the car back. Oh, I forgot to mention at the beginning, he was landing all those planes perfectly in the seas. Like, that deserves a round of applause. I did not expect him to save all the planes. And you know they're safe when the lady is like, oh, thank you, I get to see Goro-san again. He became Iron Man, and then Superman, he's like taking off his tie and just going straight in. I really thought he lost Mari. That's why I was just so emotional. I just thought, man, a man losing his daughter, like, just when he was feeling a bit of connection with her, because she was like, I want to be a mangaka, and the mom's like, no, you can't do that, look at your grades. And then he's like, it's okay, as long as she graduates, she continues her dream, I'm okay with it. So there's a bit of connection and bond with his daughter. And then he was remembering the past and how she was just a lovable child, but growing up they kind of felt distant apart. So just seeing him thinking back to the past of Mari as a kid, just, I don't know, touched my heart. So yeah, and then I forgot to mention earlier, he destroyed the satellite. I don't know if that's just because he wants to stop the internet, or if it was because he was hiding behind the satellite, because like you can't sense what's going on through all this like debris falling from the satellite. So yeah, he was hiding behind, and luckily I was thinking the whole time, he needs to grab him and just like start like ripping him apart. He ripped off his arms and the back of his head, and then Shishigami fell down. But Inuyashiki still has his mindset, he's going straight to Mari and saving all those people, and everyone's like, is he a god, the miracle worker? He's healing everyone. The firefighters, the surgeons, doctors are all shocked. He did his duty and he came home by midnight, maybe, hopefully. Mari is so proud of her dad, and they're waiting for him to come home. And at the end, oh my gosh, the last like minute or two, like, she got me there, like, I need water, water. I don't know if he wants to go see Shion anymore. If he just wants revenge, what's on his mind? He just needs some water, and the two ladies decides to give him, like, some juice. That's the only liquid they have, and we don't get to see the conclusion to that, so F me. She is going to be total killing machine next time. Like, he was still kind of, like, having fun and killing, sort of, even though he's doing it for revenge. But this time he's like psycho killer mode after he gets that water. I'm just guessing. And we still haven't got the meteor right here. Holy crap. Okay, guys, I think that's pretty much it. You tell me your thoughts in the comments. It did get crazier, and next episode is gonna be the craziest ever. Holy crap, guys. Just, yeah, leave your comments on how you feel about this episode, and if you're feeling what I feel, my god, I couldn't sit in my seat the whole time, my god. Okay, guys, that's about it. Peace out. See you next one for the last episode.